Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, AzraBeautyHub. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like. Today we're going to talk about another gift idea and another great product that Avon has. What I did was I took the product actually, and turned it into a gift idea. So the product I'm going to talk about today are the antibacterial hand gels that Avon has. The first one is cucumber melon and the other one is vanilla. So these are actually 2.5 ounces. They're great for travel, they're great for adults, they're great for kids as well. It fits in the pocketbook, it fits in a backpack. It's great to kind of take it on the go. If you're traveling, perfect. With everything going on out there, this is perfect thing to have in your carry-on as well. The gift idea I was talking about, what I'm doing with these is, I got these cute little baggies from Dollar Tree, and I'll show them to you each one at a time. It's a cute little Santa, little snowman. They come like this. They come 2 in a pack in Dollar Tree, and there's another one here. This is super cute with a little bell on it as well. So what I did was, I'm sharing this with my customers. I'm stuffing it with the hand gel from Avon. You can get that at AzraBeautyHub.com. Be sure to check that out. They're actually on sale right now. Also, what I'm also doing is throwing in a bonus. So this is bonus for my customers, for whoever buys any one of these. For men, what I'm doing is I'm putting in a cologne sample in there, and I'm also throwing in a moisturizing face cream. Men also love taking care of their skin, not just the ladies, so I'm throwing that in there. For the ladies, what I'm doing is I'm putting in a perfume sample, and also I'm throwing in a little mini lipstick, okay? So these are super, super, super cute. So far, whoever I've shared this with have given me great feedback, and I hope you love this. If you like it and have any comments, please feel free to share in the comments below. I'd be happy to know what you think about this, and this way it gives me an idea on what to do next for my next video. In the meantime, also, if you're new to the channel, please show your love and support by clicking the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like the channel as well. This way, every time I post a new video, you can check it out. Be sure to go to AzraBeautyHub.com just to come and see and what's new. Until then, keep smiling and have a great day.